Hi, this is Deepthi. I am from Hyderabad. I work as a childbirth educator and also I work as a digital marketer in one of the Forex marketing company. Here I am there to share a few experiences on healing. Aritri is a very good mentor. First, I have to mention it because she has a lot of patience. She keeps on suggesting us for each and everything how to think, how to take it in a positive way. So, before uh, sharing my experiences, I would like to tell healing changed my life. I don't say like it's before and after, but I really have seen many changes. Only with a glass of water, healing, giving positive vibrations to it, I have seen my whole day is very comfortable. And it's not only about me, we can also charge it for others. We can also heal others if they are any in pain. So I suggest mostly in every family one should learn healing. For example, you will go to temple, not church, nor mosque, right? So where what you'll go and tell to your God, whichever God it is, you'll tell good words that, you want this, and you want that. But the same things you are expressing in the same way to ourselves directly to the universe. So this is the best part. I liked it. And you know what? I don't know will God hear this or not. But one day the universe will respond to your positive thoughts and we will be achieving all the success we need in our life. It's not only about success. It's also about our health conditions, our stress conditions, our environment conditions also plays a very great role while we heal our body and also while we were taking our negative energy away and taking the positive thoughts. It really gives a very good, comfortable and happy position where we are. Now, I have seen changes in my life. Like before I never used to do charge and all before healing. But when I started charging the water, the whole day when I'm giving a positive thoughts to that water, I have seen the whole day with that positive thoughts, at least the 80 to 85% of the things are actually going to be done. So I believe in the charge of water. And also, whereas coming to healing part, healing 12 minutes, 24 minutes, and if you have really good time, 72 minutes, we will see many changes in our body. Because while we actually think about Reiki energy and pass that same energy in our body, we would be seeing the energy is flowing throughout our body. I have seen lot of changes in my body while I meditate, while I heal, while I go to Yoga Nidra, while I go for the healing part. These two parts I could see a lot of difference, a lot of vibrations in my body. It is moving up and down. Wherever I place my hand, there I can see that the vibrations are moving up and down. And the first and foremost, I would like to convey one more thing. While I was taking the Reiki healing before, I would be taking the attunement. But in that attunement time, I have seen a lot of change. It's just like uh, the rain is watering in my head. The rain is pouring deep into my head. I don't know from where, like from above my head, I could see that kind of good energy, good vibrations. It was almost like if someone pours water slowly, drop by drop by drop. In such a way, I have seen the changes. I don't know where it went deep into my body, but I have felt a lot of difference when I have taken the attunement. I was really happy with what Aritri is guiding me for each and every step of my success. And also, I recommend every person in the family to take healing and take benefits of the healing. And also, I would recommend Aritri has a very good mentor. She had a lot of patience, which She will give guidance to your health problems, to your environmental stress, of office stress, whichever step you want to take and want to get succeeded. And I could say she's one of the very best trainer, and also a very patient trainer, really. So this is about me, and what all I gained from this healing is, first I decreased my stress level, and I started healing my husband, I started healing my home, I started healing my son, I started healing myself first, regarding the health problems, regarding the stress levels and everything. I got benefited. I hope you will also get benefit from these things. I suggest everyone to follow all these guidelines where Aritri is going to tell. So thank you.